Understanding saltwater resistant in everyday objects. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in various contexts: saltwater resistant. Understanding what this phrase means can be incredibly useful, especially if you love beach activities or use products that may come into contact with seawater. So, let's break it down together and make it as simple as possible. Saltwater resistant is a term composed of two main parts. Let's look at each. Saltwater. This refers to water from the sea or ocean, which is naturally salty due to the presence of dissolved salts. Resistant. This part of the phrase means capable of withstanding or not easily damaged by a certain substance or condition. When combined, saltwater resistant describes objects or materials that are not easily damaged by saltwater. This property is especially important for items used near or in the ocean, ensuring they last longer and perform well in salty environments. You might wonder, why is this characteristic so important? Saltwater is known for its corrosive properties. It can damage metals, fabrics, and even waterproof coatings if they're not designed to handle such conditions. Therefore, having a saltwater-resistant feature is crucial for electronics, such as watches, cameras, and phones used near or in the ocean. Clothing and gear, like swimsuits, diving suits, and marine equipment. Vehicles, including boats, jet skis, and other watercraft. Construction materials, used in building docks, piers, or structures near the sea. Understanding this term helps you make informed decisions when purchasing products intended for use in or around the ocean, ensuring they last longer and stay functional. Identifying saltwater-resistant products can sometimes be a challenge. Here are a few tips. Look for labels. Manufacturers often label their products as saltwater-resistant or similar terms. Material matters. Items made from stainless steel, silicone, or specially treated fabrics are often designed to resist saltwater. Product descriptions. Always read online product descriptions or ask sales representatives about the saltwater resistance of an item. Knowing these details can save you time and money, preventing damage to your belongings from saltwater exposure. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means for a product to be saltwater resistant, and why this feature is so crucial for certain items. Next time you're shopping for gear, electronics, or materials that will come into contact with the sea, you'll know exactly what to look for. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you make the best choices for your saltwater adventures. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.